Are your USA auto insurance premiums leaving you in the financial slow lane? Today, we're diving deep into the factors that influence your USA auto insurance rates, so you can understand why you're paying what you're paying. First up, let's talk about your driving history is a major influencer. Things like accidents, speeding tickets, and DUIs can significantly inflate your rates. Then there's your vehicle, the make, model, and year impact cost. Sports cars or luxury vehicles usually come with higher premiums, as do older cars that may need frequent repairs. Next is your coverage level. Choosing higher liability limits, collision, and comprehensive coverage protects you better, but it also means a higher price tag. Think about balancing protection with affordability. Your chosen deductible also matters. Selecting a higher deductible, the amount you pay out off-pocket before insurance kicks in, can lower your monthly payments. Finally, let's look at control. You can influence your rates. Drive safely, consider a defensive driving course, and investigate available discounts like a multi-policy discount or a good student discount. Understanding these factors empowers you to make informed decisions about your coverage and possibly lower those USA auto insurance costs. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.